What's going on, guys? Banks here, and this is Panzoid.com. I've been requested to show people how to make an intro. I'm gonna show you the basics. So first, you're gonna come to www or https Panzoid.com. You're gonna scroll down. You're gonna click on creations. You don't have to make an account. I have an account though. You can search for any type of intro you want. So I can guess you can do anime if you like anime, if you're into that type. So you go to anime, you would scroll down, you will maybe click on that looks cool. You click on that, you go to open and clip maker. Open clip maker, and then when you open it, all you do is put your name down, and that's all you do. And that's how you get your intros. Any other videos you want me to do to make, just let me know down in the comments below. Subscribe, like, comment, and make sure you put that bell notification on for more videos. Peace.